In a world driven by technology, software engineering plays a crucial role. Join us as we explore the art behind this fascinating field. Software engineering is an engineering-based approach to software development. It involves designing, building, and maintaining software systems that meet specific requirements. Software engineering is the driving force behind technological innovation. It enables the development of cutting-edge applications, systems, and solutions that shape our digital world. Software engineering presents unique challenges. From managing complexity to ensuring scalability and security, software engineers tackle complex problems to deliver robust and reliable solutions. To excel in software engineering, one must master a range of skills. These include programming languages, problem-solving, teamwork, and continuous learning to adapt to the ever-evolving technology landscape. The future of software engineering is filled with boundless potential. From artificial intelligence to virtual reality, software engineers will continue to shape the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Software engineering is a captivating field that combines creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, join us and unlock your potential in the world of software engineering.